The two concepts we're going to cover today are perimeter and area. The perimeter of an object is the length of the line that bounds a figure. The area of a figure is related to the perimeter, but they measure different things. The area is the amount of space inside the boundary of a flat, two-dimensional object. Looking at example 1, we have a rectangle where one side is 3 and the other side is 4. To find the perimeter, we simply add up the lengths of all the sides. This side has a length of 4 and this side has a length of 3. So we add those measurements together. 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4 for a grand total of 14. Now we don't know what this rectangle is measured, and it could be inches or centimeters or miles, so we're just going to use units. Think of perimeter as the length of the line it took to draw this figure. If you laid all these pieces end to end, it would be 14 units long. The area is how many square units fit inside the object. To find the area of a rectangle, we take base times height. In this case, we're going to take 4 times 3. 4 times 3 gives me 12, and this time we're going to use units squared. 12 squares would fit inside this object. Example 2, we're looking at a triangle where one side is 3 and one side is 4. In order to find the perimeter, we need to know the length of the third side of this triangle. If you notice, we are working with a right triangle. To find the missing side, we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. In this case, our missing side is the hypotenuse, our c. 3 and 4 are the lengths of the two legs. 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16. 9 plus 16 is 25. To solve for c, we need to take the square root of both sides. So 5 equals c, or c equals 5. Our missing side has a length of 5. So the perimeter is going to be 3 plus 4 plus 5 for a grand total of 12. Again, we don't know if this 3 and this 4 and this 5 are referring to inches or centimeters or miles, so we're just going to say units. The length of the line that bounds this figure is 12 units. To find the area, we need to use the formula for the area of a triangle. If you notice, a triangle is really half of the parallelogram. So we're going to use the formula for a rectangle, but we're only going to use half of it. We're going to multiply the formula base times height times 1/2. You might also see the formula for the area of a triangle as base times height divided by 2. I like to put the 1/2 out front. 1/2 times our base is 4 and our height is 3. For a grand total of 1/2 times 4 is 2 2 times 3 is 6 units squared. The area of this rectangle, or excuse me, this triangle, is 6 square units.